Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh. I sell you stuff on eBay. Today is a Wednesday and we've got quite a few orders going out. Oh, one Poshmark order, I totally forgot. Need to find that. Been cross-listing my stuff with Vendu. I do have a link to that down below. And yeah, pretty happy with the way it's been going. I mentioned this before, I'll mention it again. I am not cross-listing with Vendu in order to get more sales off-site. It does help and it's nice. I am cross-listing everything that I feel like would sell on Poshmark and make sense for the platform. That is $30 and above. Taking offers lower. This item I took a $20 offer on. But I am using Vendu more as a backup for my eBay listings because they could lose your listings. They could kick you off the site. Things happen. Several years back, I think like 2018 or something, they lost like everybody's photos pretty much. So that type of stuff could happen. That's why I want to back up. We got almost 11,000 listings in here right now. Actually, did your guys' apps update today? Mine did, and it's totally different, and I do not like it. I feel like a grouchy old man. It does not tell me the exact number of items I have listed. It does not tell me a lot of stuff, and everything's in different places, and I'm not happy about it. I just don't like change anymore. I'm sure it will be much better in a few days once I'm used to it, but right now I'm not used to it. My app updated. Anyways, I'm using Vendu as a backup for those almost 11,000 listings. So yeah. What do we got going on today? Today we got a lot of stuff to ship out, and then after that I'm going to be working on sewing machines, taking a couple of them apart. Yesterday we did a lot of listing, a lot of photography, that type of stuff. Did not ship yesterday. We ship every 2 days here. But today is going to be a lot of shipping, and whatever extra time we have, we're going to put into sewing machine parts. Taking sewing machines apart, putting them into these boxes and making some money. For now, let's show you guys what's sold. All right, so we're gonna start down here on the floor. First off, we got this box of romance novels. There's 75 in here. These are all Harlan Quinn intrigues. I don't know what I got for it. Not a lot, but it's another way for me to make money off of my bulk books. These, I listed both of these yesterday. We got this little NASCAR die cast thing. I don't know. Most of these are not worth much. This one I got like $9-10 plus shipping. And here is a set of Indy 500 pins, 6 of them. This is kind of like a custom case that they've been put into. I don't think they were ever sold with this case. At least I couldn't find it. It does look custom. Sold those. Pretty cool little place there. Up here, hang on, let me get an IKEA bag. I need an IKEA bag. Oh no. Okay, it looks like I'm entirely out of IKEA bags. I do have that smaller Mickey Mouse bag we might end up using. But anyways, one pair of Brooks. These got marked down in January 1st when I cleared out the oldest 10% of my store. Marked them down to 10. Somebody sent me an offer of 5 and I just took it. Let's get them out. These were listed yesterday. These are some like winter ski overalls. Probably should have wore these a couple days ago because they're my size. And it's been really cool the last few days, but I sold them. Here's a shirt. This is like that thinner denim. I believe the word for this is like chambray or something like that. It's a very good keyword to use. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. We sold that. Kind of a vintagey shirt. A couple of CDs we got going out. Bubble Bucket Survival Sounds. And Holy Child Mind Speak EP. Cool. Love selling CDs. A couple of books. We got one Bible going out. It's got the indexes in there. Got the gold trim, leather bound. Good looking Bible. And we got some sort of Bible storybook here. Eggenmeyer's Bible storybook. Really cool. A couple sewing machine parts. We got a pair of cabinet hinges. Cabinet hinges sold really good for me. Been impressed with all of them. And also a presser foot. Another part that always sells really good. I did pick up one sewing machine today and a bunch of books from one of my sources and some records. This is a brand of jeans I don't hear a lot of people talk about. It is Bugle Boy. Bugle Boy jeans always sell fairly good for me. Don't find them that often, but we sold another pair right there. I think that is everything in this storage unit. I'm gonna get this packed up. Put some of it in this tiny bag, I guess. I need to hunt down some IKEA bags. Bring some more from home. They've all migrated home. And then we'll go down to the other unit, show you what sold down there. All right, instead of finding an IKEA bag, we emptied out a tote. Actually combined these two totes. Now we got an empty tote to throw stuff in. We got one hat, just a little basic orange and gray camo, small slash extra small. Pretty cool. We're not going to put that in the bottom of a tote though. One pair of Rhino boots, dirty shape, steel or composite toe. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Still sold. What do we got? CDs. New Lost City Ramblers. Anything with the word Ramblers in it, typically worth looking up. 180 Degrees South, Conquerors of the Useless. And also we got Fiddlin' John Carson, Volume 3. I did not have this whole set. Unfortunately, wish I did, but still worth piecing out. I had several of them from that set. Let's put those over there as well. One pair of jeans. I believe these are like a kid's Levi's, kind of 80s acid wash, vintage, really cool looking. Here is a 50 Years of Quick Trip hat. This is also like a 50 Years of Quick Trip book. I had these listed separately. They originally came together, but the buyer came and actually bought both of these. Now I had medium mail shipping on this because it's a book, and ground advantage shipping on this. Not sure. These might end up actually getting shipped separately, but I don't know. We're gonna see where it's going, what it costs, all that good stuff. One car part, I don't even know. We got two golf clubs. Ping Eye 3-iron, black dot. Last one of these left. Also an Adams like driver of some sort. I listed this without the head cover, but I'm going to include the head cover with it anyways. And let's see, that is everything we got going out today. So yeah, my plan for today, working on sewing machines. Have not done that in about probably a week and a half now. I'm going to be taking those apart. And that's a lot of times how I do things. I will batch things out. I pick a day, and like today we were focusing on the sewing machine portion of the business. Tomorrow we might focus on the CD portion of the business. Maybe another day it's books. So while I am kind of an everything seller, selling a little bit of everything, every day I'm not selling everything. Certain days we're doing sewing machines, certain days we're doing books, certain days we're doing CDs, certain days we're doing hats. And that's just kind of the way it goes. Putting like things together and doing them all at the same time really helps things go a lot faster. If I'm trying to do one CD and then take apart a sewing machine, then do a hat, and then do this, that's a really slow process. But if I sit down and do 50 hats at the same time, it goes really, really fast. So something to think about there. Batching like things together really helps them go pretty quick. And then every once in a while, we'll do a tote of just random stuff like this tote over here. But usually that stuff is the higher dollar stuff. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you all next time. Goodbye. This is why I don't like cross-listing. I forgot the Mickey Mouse sweatshirt. Luckily, I was just in the car. But, oh well. I went back in and got it. All right, headed out now.